What's up, guys? This is Outdoor Ripper here. About to go fishing with Hunter and Randy. Live about the Concept Z. Recording. Got Mike, Hunter over here. Got Rando.
Fish. Yeah, we got some.
Time to leave.
Fucking lady.
You took your hook and you were jumping like that.
My life almost ended right there.
Yeah, bro, we're off the bite. Hey, Bubba, we're off the bite. That sounds like shit.
Oh, it is like it is. This rod's broke. I know. Me and Hunter broke it the other day.
Oh, man, he snapped my shit.
Got the fork and everything?
Yep, my cork's over there.
It's
Snapped everything.
Your fork's up?
Yeah, but none of my shit's on it. It's just my cork. You must have had what I had. Fuck you, bro.
Is he good, Hunter?
It was just...
Hey,
How do I find this window?
That's a keeper. Hey, that's definitely a keeper.
He's
Get him
skinny.
in the chest.
hey.
Slot?
I caught an 11 the other day. Not 11.
But it was
All it is, you gotta catch one about between 27 and 27.
Mike's over here fly fishing.
Yeah, it's fat. So what do you
I got something.
Ah, fuck. You got the hook in you?
No, this fucking thing cut me.
How big is that one? Like 17?
Keep for sure.
Yeah, I know it's a keeper. You can just do it. You can't catch a guy. That's a big one. That's that one. That's a big one, dude. That is a big one. That is actually a really good one. That's a really good one.
That's alright.
That's a really good one.
Got him?
Good trout.
That's a good trout.
Not even with 30 seconds, or with not even like 5 seconds without shit landing.
Don't let him out of the boat, dude. That's a 20. You put that. He's probably about 2.5 pounders.
He's 18.
No, he's bigger than
Oh my goodness, it's fucking huge.
big trout.
He's going? Hell yeah.
I told you to go down underwear.
He's catching on limit. That's a good trout. Look at the specs on it. It goes all the way up to his damn head damn near.
Dude, I didn't even know when my bar went down. I just felt my pole.
I'm mad at that time with that though. I used to smoke it over there.
That's an awesome fish, bro. Way to go. Way to go. Oh, look at that.
we were looking at, Jack.
No, there was a fucking. One earlier.
That's the big one.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. He's gonna break you off.
Oh shit, Trey, that's a big trout.
That water's cold.
Wow, that's a decent trout.
That's a red.
Tag.
That's swear to God, if it's fucking tagged.
Get him off. Dude, you're fucking pulling him out of the net.
Well, bring him here.
Alright, hold on. We gotta get this phone.
Is there anything in the back?
No, he's good.
Oh my God, I was about to cry.
Picture right there with the pouches. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Run in the middle, Breaker.
Ow!
Rod, sit down. Don't lose him. Come on. There's a pylon right here. Don't let him go here. Fight him this way. Fight him this way. Bring him up. Bring him up. Come on, Draper. Come on. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on.
Hell yeah.
Look at the spots on that mother. Is there most spots in tackle time? No. Look at all the spots on him. Let me see. He's got it hard. Let me see. Look at all the spots. That's fucking beautiful. Is there most spots in tackle time? No. I like keeping them. I like keeping them.
Put it back up there.
Just in case I lose one, like they have my thing to like look at my name and see if I still have one. To like prove.
So y'all said duck season was pretty good to you, huh?
Oh yes, sir. We shot a lot of 5, 4-man, and 6-man limits out there this year.
Oh yeah.
Shot a lot of ducks.
Yeah. Opening day of teal season wasn't too good, but the day after that, I had about 300 teal come in.
That's how it always is.
Yeah, if it's slow that first one, you know that second one is gonna be good.
How much do you weigh, huh?
How much do I weigh?
Yes, sir.
Like 200.
What's your telephone number? Start the area code.
Phone
Phone
number.
number, start the area code.
Huh? You're tired? Probably stayed up all night.
You like being on the water?
Yeah. Especially when I got this top.
Yeah, it'd be nice if I had one of those. You gonna go out to the jetties by any chance to check out there? You staying in the channel and
Let
stuff?
them come to me.
Hey Mike, can you give me my phone? I'm gonna show you that YouTube video. It's over there.
Yeah, but just a warning for no parks.
Yes, sir. What I need to sign?
Like I say, it doesn't go by the moat.
Yes, sir. My bad.
It goes by now. If you didn't have that deal and it was open from
Yeah, because it wasn't like that when we built it just for more stability. But I didn't read the rules that good to see all that. I just thought if you had a John boat or something this small, it was like that.
Because like I say, fumes.
So this is just it's not a ticket. It's
No, just
okay.
a mark.
Thank you.
All right, guys, put me off there.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day.
You have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
Have a great one.
You too.
Let's move over to the soapbox.
Watch him pull me over again and give me a ticket.
For what? Speeding?
Yeah. We're going too slow.
All right, somebody hop back up in there and get some more fish.
Didn't he just tell us not to do that?
Yeah.
Not to do that. What?